It's possible to achieve the impossible in Slovenia, a land of fantastic business opportunities, where advanced powertrain systems and high-torque in-wheel motors come to life in the hands of innovative engineers such as ELAPHE, the leading provider of direct-drive in-wheel motors, who has been pushing the boundaries of the automotive industry for more than 20 years. Today, ELAPHE is powering the future of mobility with technological solutions that improve vehicle performance, safety and efficiency, without limiting design, freedom or comfort.
At ELAPHE, we put the power where it's needed, inside the wheels. With innovative technologies, we develop powertrains for the most advanced vehicle architectures, enabling vehicle designers to create smarter, mission-focused vehicles built around the user. And with our technology, vehicles become more aerodynamic, lighter and easier to handle, which also improves their safety and makes driving much more fun.
From the designers of the first high-torque direct-drive motor to one of the world leaders in in-wheel propulsion technology, ELAPHE is a pioneer of in-wheel drives for electric vehicles, ranging from SUVs to supercars, a creator of a new niche in the automotive industry, and the winner of the i4MS Disruptors Award. With breakthrough solutions, such as the in-wheel electric motor system, it is defining a new era in electrified mobility. And by being green, creative and smart, ELAPHE is an example of the revolutionary Slovenian economy and one of its valued ambassadors. Drive towards a better future in Slovenia, a land of infinite potential for your business. Make the most of it.